These are the heroes of this incredible document today, and I would just conclude by asking you to celebrate them and their work as creative artists, as photojournalists, that they have made such an important contribution to this struggle. Thank you.
There has been multiple of occasions when the state was totally complicit with the rioters in unleashing terror on Muslims, but we do not have photographs, right? So like when you do the resistance, like we did at Shaheen Bagh in the form of one of the largest anti-CA movement, one of the largest civil disobedience after independence, entirely peaceful movement that we had. The big question that comes is how you keep that in your memory, because there is always a fight against forgetting things. So that's why when we thought that we should have a photo book, because when you bring a book, that book based on the affiliation of the writer, because I remember the very first book that came was brought by the right wingers, wherein only there was it was totally based on falsehood, I would say. So as a writer, my writing could be biased based on the wheel I am wearing up, but the photographs, they are not last. Photographs speak the truth, and the true emotion you can get is only through the photographs. That's why we thought we should curate a photo book, and here we are today with हम देखेंगे. That's the essence.
जब ये सब कुछ स्टार्ट हुआ था CA NRC के टाइम पे, तो जो बिल्कुल लोकल लेवल पे मतलब जामिया में लोग थे, वो मतलब वहाँ पे जर्नलिस्ट जल्दी से पहुँच नहीं पाते थे, तो मैं उस समय जामिया में ही था, तो मैं हर चीज़ को कैप्चर करता हुआ चलता था. और जैसे मैं एग्जांपल देना चाहूँगा AMU का, वहाँ पे बहुत कम लोग हैं, तो वहाँ से जो विजुअल्स है बहुत कम आता है, जबकि मेरा मानना है कि जामिया से ज़्यादा जो है बुरा हाल AMU में था, लेकिन उसकी तस्वीरें बहुत कम आई. लेकिन जामिया में बहुत सारे ऐसे फोटोग्राफर्स ग्राउंड लेवल पे थे जिन्होंने एक एक चीज़ को कैप्चर किया, और उन्हीं कैप्चर की वजह से इतना बड़ा प्रोटेस्ट खड़ा हो पाया, लोग तक पहुंचा मैसेज कि ये हुआ है जामिया में, तब लोगों ने स्टार्ट किया प्रोटेस्ट. तो मुझे लगा कि फ़ोटोज़ एंड वीडियोस कितना ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है किसी भी रिवोल्यूशन में. तो उस समय तो इतना आइडिया नहीं था कि हम इतना बड़ा सब कुछ हो जाएगा और हम बुक भी ला सकते हैं. तो मैंने मेरे दानिश साहब मेरे मेंटर थे, उन्होंने मुझसे कहा कि अभी जो कुछ भी हो रहा है ये सब हिस्ट्री है, कोई भी चीज़ मिस मत करना. और मैंने वही किया, किसी भी चीज़ को मिस नहीं किया, एक एक चीज़ को डॉक्यूमेंट किया, और उनके साथ काफ़ी काम भी किया, दानिश साहब के साथ काफ़ी हेल्प भी किया उन्होंने इस बुक में. और उनको मैं पूरा बुक दिखा भी नहीं पाया ये बुक, तो इस पूरे बुक को मैंने दानिश साहब को डेडिकेट किया है. इसमें 28 फोटोग्राफर्स का काम है, 223 फोटोग्राफ्स है.
मुझे सब है याद जरा जरा, तुम्हें याद हो कि ना याद हो. This is exactly what this book, this photo book tells. That we remember every single thing that happened. What happened on 7th of December. What happened on 10th of December in Aligarh Muslim University. What happened on 13th of December at Jamia Millia Islamia. And then what happened at Aligarh Muslim University and Jamia Millia Islamia on 15th of December. How Shaheen Bagh came to exist. How it was an effort of Sharjeel Iman and Asif Mushtaba. We remember the violence that followed in UP. We remember the resistance that started from these two Muslim campuses and how it sprung up like mushrooms all over the country. We remember everything all too well. And this photo book forces us to keep on remembering. It reminds us. It forces us to not look away. The brutality that happened, the powerful images of the resistance of Muslims of India.
लाजिम है कि हम भी देखेंगे वो दिन के जिसका वादा है. जिस दिन का वादा है वह ऐसा नहीं है कि आने वाला है. बल्कि वो रोज रोज चल रहा है। जो किया गया, जो किया जाएगा और जो किया जा रहा है, उन सब में एक रिश्ता है। इसलिए हम यहाँ आज किसी बीत गई चीज को याद करने के लिए नहीं इकट्ठा हुए। हम एक मुसलसल चल रही चीज में हिस्सा लेने के लिए बैठे हैं और याद करना उसी का एक अंग है।
Okay, if we look at the anti-CAA movement
Exactly.
and the Shaheen Bagh thing, it has been 2 years since then, and the government is still unclear about the citizenship thing. And if we talk about this photo book, so how much do you think such things like bringing a photo book or holding a press conference? How much do you think all of these things are of significance? If we I mean, apart from
Exactly.
Memory thing.
See, if an entire big hall is full with darkness, even a candle matters, even a mastic matters. So this is really, I know this is a small thing that we have done, but it is just one light at the end of the tunnel where you cannot see the ends, right? The second thing is, I was associated, like we saw how Shaheen Bagh grew organically. Me and Sharjeel, we all like carved out the basic details, how the state should go, how things should go. And being someone who was really with the relief work at North East Delhi, even when today I see the book, these memories, these events come up at my mind, and then I feel emotional, I feel connected. So this is a fight against getting forgotten. If you keep the memory afresh, if you keep the resistance afresh, hopefully one day you will get to know that, look, we stood for justice, we stood against the oppressive state, and here we are, still standing. So it does not matter whether you kill us, our dead bodies will speak. If you burn us, our ashes will speak. हम देखेंगे जब this all falsehood will go and the truth will prevail.